Oh, hey, I'm gonna teach you how to get away hiccups. Yeah, I'm gonna give you 3 steps about how you can get it away. Okay, first step. Yeah, you're gonna be screamed, very screamed of something on the TV box or someone in your family or something. Okay, that's step number 1. Step number 2. Uh, drink water or slap you in the face like that. And yeah, that was step 2. Now, step 3. Three. That is, you should hold your, yeah, like this. How long, so long you can, and this was the steps how to get away hiccups. Okay, I love if you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bam. Boom, boom, boom.